class. I am Mohammed Ali, online maths teacher. Today we will solve some question from graph chapter, speed time graph topic. The diagram is the speed time graph. Here the vertically represent the speed and horizontally represent the time. So the first 30 seconds of a car journey is shown over there. Two quantities are obtained from such graph. One is acceleration. Acceleration is this part. How we get this acceleration? Acceleration is gradient of speed time graph. How we get the gradient? Gradient means opposite by adjacent. And another thing, distance travel. Total distance travel is the area under the graph. So we have to find out the area of this shape. How we find the area under the shape? You will observe this part is triangle, this part is square, or the whole part is trapezium. You may use the area of triangle plus area of the square. Both of this addition will give you the distance travel, or the whole part you will use the area of the trapezium rule, then you get the total distance travel. Okay, by using this information from exercise 14, we try to solve some maths. At first, we try to solve question number 5. T, this is the figure. Obviously, this is speed. This is velocity. That means 16. Here, time. T, find T if the total acceleration is 2 meter per second square. If the initial acceleration, this acceleration is 2 meter per second square, we should find T. Number B, the total distance travel, Number C, the average speed for the whole journey. So average speed for the whole journey, we will find it. Now see how can we find it? So at first, we try to draw the figure. This is question number 5. This is the figure, like the velocity is here. This is, here it is t, here it is 16. From here to here, this is 30, this is 40, this is t. So we will find, at first we will find here the t, if the initial acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Initial acceleration is over there, a. So how will find out acceleration? Acceleration equals to, this part is opposite, this part is 16 divided by this is t. So acceleration is given 2 meter per second square. So 16 here divided by t. So t equals to 8 seconds. The first A answer completed. Number B, the total distance traveled. That means we should find out the total area of under the curve. So total figure, we can consider this is a trapezium. So we will use the total distance traveled. So we will use the trapezium formula. What is that? Half both of the parallel side. Like we consider this is A, that one is B. So A plus B into H. H means perpendicular height. So total distance travel equals to half. A is the whole thing we can consider the 40 plus this part. This is 30 minus T. That means 30 minus T. H is what? The vertical thing is 16. After that, half 40 plus 30 minus T is 8 here and 16. So these two, that 16 cancel. So 40 plus 22 multiply 8. So this is 62 multiply 8. So we'll get here 496 meter. So total distance travel is 496 meter. Now number C, the average speed. Average speed means total distance divided by total time. So total distance is 496 meter and total time obviously 40. So if we divide, we'll get here 12.4 meter per second. So our 5 number question completed, answer completed. At first we found here acceleration time. They gave us the acceleration. From here we get the time. Total distance travel, that means we have to find out the total area under the curve. From here we get the total distance, and average speed means total distance divided by total time. Number 6, given that the total distance travel 810 meter. The total distance travel here 810 meter. So find the value of v. We have to find out the value of v, velocity. Number B, the rate of change of speed when t equals to 30. T equals to 30 here. Where t equals to 30, the rate of change of the speed. That means we have to find out the uh, acceleration. When it is below side, it is negative acceleration or deceleration. Number C, the time taken to travel the first 420 meter of the journey. So first 420 meter, like here, the first 420 meter journey, how much time needed? So we have to find question number 6 and 7. Our total distance travel 800 meter given. This is the figure. We have to find out the value of v. So total distance travel. This the whole shape is the trapezium. So you can write out the area of trapezium half a plus b. That means two parallel sides. Consider this is a, or this one is a, and that one is b. A plus b into h. H means this part is h, and this is total distance is 810 meter. So 810 equals to half. The whole thing is 40 plus b is 26 minus 12. 26 minus 12, and v, h is v here. So 810 equals to half. This is 40 plus 14 into v. Now 810 cross multiplication, multiply 2 divided by 54 equals to v. That means v equals to 30 meter per second. So our first answer completed. The value of b is 30 meter per second. Number B, the rate of change of the speed when t equals to 30. Obviously t equals to 30 here. So if you want to find out the rate of change of the speed, we may consider this is one coordinate. So this coordinate is 26 and v value is here 30. We also consider this is the coordinate, like this is 40 and v value is 0. So B number, if we find out the rate of change of the speed when t equals to 40, that means we are finding the gradient. So rate of change of speed equals to difference between y coordinate, that means 0 minus 30 divided by 40 minus 26. So we'll get here minus 30 divided by 40. So finally we get minus 2.14 meter per second square. So rate of change of speed is minus 2.14 meter per second square. So B part is completed. Now C part. C part is what? C part is the time taken to travel the first 420 meter. Obviously, first 420 meter is here. Let time taken to travel first 420 meter EBT. Okay. Now, time taken for first 420 meter BT. So total area is 420 meter. So if you consider this is T, here also use the trapezium rule, half A plus B into H. So 420 equals to half. From here to here, this is T. So T plus, so this part is T minus 12. T minus 12. And H is, this is V. V what we get? V we got 30. Now 420 goes to half. This is 2T minus 12 into 30. Now, so 420 goes to 2T minus 12 multiply. If we 2 and 30 cancel, 15. So finally get 420 equals to 30T minus 180. 180 when comes the left side, it will be 600 equals to 30T. That means T equals to 20 seconds. So our C answer also completed. 420 meter travel by T second. I just said here we use the trapezium rule. Then finally find out the value of T. Now the last one. Given that the total distance travel is 1.5 kilometer, the whole distance travel is 1.5 kilometer, find the value of V. We have to find out the value of V. Number B, the rate of deceleration after 10 seconds. Obviously, T equals to 10 here. So, rate of deceleration after 10 seconds. Now, see how can we solve this maths. Number 7, they gave us the total distance travel is 1.5 kilometer. We have to find out the value of V. This part is trapezium, this part is rectangle, this part is triangle. So we have to, if you want to find out the total distance, we have to write down the area of this tree shape. So we have to write total distance traveled equals to, here total distance is 1.5 kilometer. So this is half, two parallel sides. This is one parallel side, that one is another parallel side. Two parallel side, half A. So A is 60 and B is like from here to here, this is V. And H is, this one is H, this is 20. Plus, this part is 60 minus 20. That means 60 minus 20, this is length. And breadth is this part is V. Plus, this part is half into 80 minus 60 into V. Now 1.5 kilometer, if we want to convert this into meter, we have to multiply by 1000, so it will be 1500. 2 and this is 10, cancel. So it is 600 plus 10V plus 40V plus 10V. So finally 600, when it's coming the left side, it will be 900 equals to 2060V. So V equals to 900 divided by 60 So it will be 15 meter per second. So our first answer A completed. The second one, the rate of deceleration after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, that means here the deceleration is, what is the deceleration here? It equals 10 seconds. So we may consider here is one coordinate, this is 0, 60, and we have to consider another coordinate here. This is 20 and V. V is here 15. So if you want to find out the deceleration, we have to find out the gradient number V. Rate of deceleration, of rate of deceleration after 10 seconds equals to this part, okay, difference between y coordinate, that means 15 minus 60 divided by 20 minus v means 20 minus 0, 20 minus 0, y2 minus y1 divided by x2, x1. So upper side minus 45, below side 20. If we divide, we get minus 2.25 meter per second square. We may write minus 2.25 meter per second square acceleration, or if you want to write deceleration, we just write here 2.25 meter per second square. I think everybody understand this, maths. This is very simple. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.